Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile online. First, download the official application from your device's app store, ensuring you have around 2 GB of available storage. Next, create a new game account or log in using an existing social media profile. After that, complete the short tutorial. This will teach you crucial basic controls, like movement and aiming, and familiarize you with the game's core mechanics, preparing you for battle. Once in the game, the lobby is your central hub. Here, you can explore various game modes, like the strategic classic battle royale, fast-paced arena matches, or unique arcade experiences. You can also invite your friends to form a squad, either by using their unique in-game ID or connecting through social media. Before each match, take a moment to adjust your preferred game settings and manage your inventory, ensuring you are fully prepared for the fight ahead. As a match begins, you will parachute from an airplane onto a large island. Choose a strategic drop zone, balancing high-tier loot with fewer immediate enemies. Upon landing, prioritize finding essential items like a reliable weapon, protective armor, and vital healing supplies, all within the first minute. Always stay aware of the shrinking safe zone, marked by a white circle, and plan your movement carefully to avoid the damaging blue zone. Effective combat requires smart choices. Select weapons that suit your playstyle, like a long-range sniper rifle for open areas or an assault rifle for close-quarters battles. Always utilize available cover, such as buildings or natural terrain, during engagements to minimize incoming damage and gain an advantage. If playing with a squad, communicate clearly with your teammates using voice chat or quick messages, coordinating your movements and target priorities for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.